Hey guys, check out this amazing watch I just came across. This is the AILANG men's watch, but it's not just any watch. It's an automatic mechanical one. That means no batteries needed. It runs with the movement of your wrist. Pretty cool, right? And the design? It's stunning. It features a double skeleton structure, so you can actually see the tiny gears moving inside. Absolutely mesmerizing. The color is super classy. It comes with a black genuine leather strap and a silver case, a classic look with a modern twist. There's also another version with a silver stainless steel strap if you're into that style more. But it's not just about looks. This watch is practical too. You can wash your hands with it on or even wear it in the rain without worries. It's water resistant up to 30 meters. The glass is tough too. It's reinforced mineral glass, so it won't scratch easily. The buckle is a simple pin buckle, easy to open and close. The genuine leather strap is super comfy on the wrist, and the dial is round, just like those classic watches. If you like the Ailong watch and want to know more or grab one for yourself, make sure to check the product link in the description below or in the first comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.